Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have an amazing 1:64 Formula 1 diecast by Bburago with us. So this diecast is from the new collection of Bburago's 1:64 Formula 1 cars, and it is the exact same ratios that Hot Wheels usually have. So let's take this car out of the box, and before that make sure that you are subscribed to our channel to stay updated with such amazing diecast videos. So this McLaren MCL39 is especially the one that Oscar drove in the Australian Grand Prix 2025, and this car made him secure P2 in qualifying, but the race didn't ended well for him as he got P9 in that race with this car. But this car is very special in itself as it is from the home race of Oscar Piastri, which is Australian GP. So here is the McLaren MCL39, looking too bright in its authentic papaya paint. And the quality of detailing in the sponsors and the paint is also very high. As you can see, the medium compound tires of Pirelli are also looking very real, along with the wheel covers which are inspired by their sponsor chrome. Along with that, you can see that the small details are also handled with very perfection, as the MasterCard logo on halo and on the front wing also. And this detailing on the rear wing also looks very real and clear. So the quality of car is also very good. If you see the tires or the body, it's mostly made up of metal while some parts are of plastic. And of course the bright McLaren trademark paint is looking great on the car. So if you have made it till this part of the video, I am assuming that you really liked it, and apart from this, there will be more videos coming of this 1:64 diecast series of Formula 1 by Bburago. So make sure to get connected with us.